teaching you how to set up a Apache web server using Debian. So, mind you, this may be different depending on if you're self-hosting or hosting on a VPS. If you're hosting on a VPS, please skip forward in this video to where I am using a VPS, but here we go. So I use Proxmox for my virtualization, so I'm going to use my Proxmox IP address. I'm going to log into Proxmox. Mind you, you can use this on physical hardware, you can virtualize this, it doesn't matter, as long as it has an internet connection, you are golden. So I'm going to create a VM, I'm going to name this YouTube VM. Then Debian 12. Give it 128 gigabytes, even though we're not going to need 128 gigabytes. 2 cores. Okay. Yep. Finish that. Now we're going to go to PVE and start the guest. I'm going to go console here. Now install. Not graphical install, but install normally. Why not graphical install? My question is, why would your server need a graphics driver? Now, you can select your language here, select your location, keyboard type. Now, as this goes, we will sit here and wait. Now it's trying to give itself an IPv4, which commonly fails for me. Seems that it hasn't failed. I'm lucky. Now we're obviously going to give it a host name. This will show up in your devices list. So I'm going to name this YouTube-VM, just like our VM's name. Now, domain name, you can put this, you can leave it empty, you can put whatever. But we'll continue. Root password, ultra-secure password. It's going to ask for a user, you can put whatever. Then go to password. Enter your time zone. Now we're partitioning the disk. So we'll partition our disk and just stick with the defaults. Yes. Now it's installing the base system, so while it installs the base system, you can go get a cup of tea. Okay, so this is going to pop up, select now, then it's going to ask you where you want your mirror to be. Choose your location, which should autofill depending on your language. No proxy, and now you let the server download its other stuff. Okay, you'll get this, answer now. So you'll have this, no desktop environment, no name, SSH server, continue. Okay, you can install Grub or not. I installed Grub, so yes, choose your device. Okay, now we're ready, we're going to restart the server. Okay, now we're going to select Debian. And here we are. So we'll log in as root. And IPA. And we're on 165. Log out. assigning this root, so we're assigning it as a user account. And then SEO. Now we're root. Now cd clear, and then update. Now we're gonna let the server update. Okay. Now apt install Apache tune. Yes. And then if you want Apache to start at every boot of the server, so let's say you update it and boot your server. If you want Apache to start with that, let me show you how to do that. So let's just wait for this to finish installing. Okay. Systemctl enable Apache 2. Okay. Then we will go to .65, and there we are. Now, if you want to edit this, you can do this. So, delete the current file, Nano, or your favorite text editor. I use Nano. And then let's say now if we reload this, there you go. And you can paste your HTML files. You can put your files in here. You can do more. You can feel free to explore. Now, on to how to do it with virtual private servers. Here's how to set up Apache and a VPS. Now, you can do this with any provider. I'm using Amazon AWS. So I'm assigning to my AWS console, and then we go to EC2 instances. I do have one instance, which is my uptime instance. So I'm gonna launch a new instance. I'm gonna name this YouTube test and Debian. Choose whatever you want. I'm using Debian here. You can get 12 months free, 750 hours a month on Microsoft EC2, not Microsoft, Amazon EC2. Now, I'm going to do this, and allow all traffic. Okay, 8 gigs is chill with me. Now, see here, I'm going to choose my key pair, but you do need a key pair. I don't know, you technically don't need a key pair, but Amazon recommends you to use a key pair, which is just a SSH key. So I'm going to go here, and we do somewhere in front of me. I'm staring at it. Yep, there we go. We have Republic IPv4 address. Now I'm going to go to here, admin at SSH admin at. Continue, agree and connect, and I'm going to choose my AWS key. And here we are. Now that we're here, I am going to update, make sure we're on the newest software. Okay, apt install Apache 2. sudo apt install Apache. Now, this may differ depending on your VPS provider, but I use AWS, so there we are. Apache 2. I'm going to skip this part. I'll run just rf /var sudo rm var /html index.html nano sudo nano. Okay, and then if we go to the public IP address, we will get a hi, hopefully. Yep, there we go. On VPSs, it is way quicker, but it may come at a cost.